Oh, a girl I hype off for you, but them not ready yet. Make them know say your thing ever ready set. Them a chat, but them never ever matter yet. Expensive clothes.
Hello everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl. So if you guys would like to see how I created this hairstyle, continue watching. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids down. I had them in for almost 2 weeks. So now I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. My Shea Moisture also has castor oil in it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Style Factor Edge Booster, the gel, and this is my first time using the gel. I've always used the Edge Control. You guys saw me struggling to open it. It was hard to open. This gel smells so good. It smells like cherry. I'm just showing you guys the consistency of the gel, and this is how thick it is. It's not runny, it's very thick. I was trying to get the chair in a good position so you guys could see the back section of my hair, but all I'm gonna do is part my hair in small sections, adding the gel and brushing it up into a ponytail, a low ponytail, sorry. And don't mind those two little twists that I added. I was trying to do something, but it didn't work out, so So like I said before, all I'm doing is parting my hair in small sections, adding the gel and brushing it back into a low ponytail. So as you guys can see, I decided last minute to add a center part. This gel has a strong hold. I probably should have left it for overnight or let it dry a little bit more. after doing that, I went ahead and tied my hair down. So this is what it looks like after tying it down for about 7 to 8 minutes, I think. Yeah, so I probably should have left it on a little bit longer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my braid. So all I'm doing is taking one pack of braid and I'm gonna be braiding, you'll see. So all I'm doing is just braiding the ear from the middle where the rubber band is and braiding it right down to the end, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other section, or for the other side. And you should have something looking like this. So all I'm gonna be doing is just separating or spreading or fluffing the braid a little. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add that rubber band to the bun that I created. Then I'm gonna take one side of the braid, put it over my bun. Then I'm gonna use some bobby pins or hairpins, and I'm gonna pin that in place. After doing so, I'm gonna go ahead and create a halo with the braid. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. And this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and I added some hair accessories and I did my makeup. If you guys would like to see this makeup look, let me know in the comment section down below and I will definitely upload that video. So yeah. And the thing I like about this hairstyle is it is super easy and it is very cute, and you can wear it to like a wedding, your date night, you know, any little events. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe.